37 degrees right now. Good morning, everybody. Friday morning, we have a day that's going to be cloudy, not going to be as sunny as yesterday afternoon, and we'll take that 37 and bring it right around 50 degrees, and that will be our daytime high. So north and west, you'll find yourself right around 20 or so degrees. So it is cool north and west, but where there is more cloud coverage around Anne Arundel County, that's why a place like Annapolis is showing 37. So cloudy and cool start to your Friday. The rain's going to arrive late this evening into tonight. Could be about an inch of rain, so localized flooding certainly possible. The best bet, again, for rain is going to be Saturday, but I don't think Sunday's looking that great, and I'll show you why coming up in 1 second. So it's 30s and 40s and 50s across the East Coast. You don't see a lot of cool air across this board, so we have a Pacific flow coming right in. Pacific jet means we're going to stay pretty mild, so we're not expecting any kind of big, swings in temperatures. Clear skies, and we're seeing a thin veil of clouds coming across our skyline right now. There's a lot of juice off towards the south and west. This is a southern system bringing in some moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, so we are going to get into some pretty good soaking rains as we get into Saturday afternoon. Oh, that's not good news. There we go. Here comes the low. Now it's coming off north to from southwest to northeast. It's going to bring in a warm front, and it's going to bring in the precipitation. And we're not really thinking that this storm's going to be a quick moving storm, but we will see a mild surge. So that's why for Saturday, we may see our forecast highs get close to 60 degrees. In fact, here's future weather Saturday evening. Still some residual pockets of showers nearing 60 degrees. And from D.C. Point south and west, maybe over 60 degrees. And by Saturday night, again, still clouds out there. Sunday temperature right around 50 degrees, and there could be a pocket of some showers out there. But I don't think it's going to be a washout Sunday. So if you're making plans, Saturday doesn't look great. Sunday might be your day. Could be about $1 to $1.25 of precipitation, so be careful out there. Localized flooding certainly a possibility. 50 today, Maryland's most accurate, saying a cooler day, increasing cloudiness. Tonight you're going to get wet if you're staying out late. 42 degrees with the rain moving in. Man, this computer, this is a Friday the 13th right here issue. 50 goes to 60 on Saturday, Sunday 54 degrees. Sunshine galore as we get into next week. Adrian?